SEO Neo allows you to schedule your campaigns to start on a specific date and time. But what about automating a campaign to trigger when another one gets completed? In this video, we'll introduce you to the campaign linking feature in SEO Neo, designed to enhance your campaign flow and efficiency. With campaign linking, you can create chains by linking campaigns together. When you start a linked campaign, each campaign within the chain starts automatically when the previous one finishes. To better understand how this works, let's see an example. Let's assume we have 3 campaigns, A, B, and C. Now let's link them together. Let's run campaign A, which is the first one. When campaign A finishes, the next one will start automatically. Then when campaign B finishes, the next one will also start automatically. Using this feature, you can create multiple campaign strategies in advance and save time. Some wizards fully utilize this feature to create complex strategies by linking campaigns together. You can find Link Campaign in your campaign's posting options. From there, you can select Instant Post, Posts per Day, Days to Run, or Link Campaign. Select Link Campaign and then select a parent campaign you want to link to by using the drop-down menu. You can only select campaigns that are not currently running and don't have any other child. Here is an example. Let's assume we have campaigns A, B, and C that are linked together, and we create a new campaign called D. We cannot link D to campaign A or B because they already have a campaign linked to them, but we can link campaign D to campaign C. A faster way to link existing campaigns is to use Quick Edit. This way, you can link your campaigns faster without navigating all campaign creation steps. If you want to unlink a campaign, you can use Edit or Quick Edit and change Link Campaign to any other option, such as Instant Post. Keep in mind that when you unlink a campaign from a chain, it gets unlinked from the parent and the child, if there is any. Let's see some examples to illustrate this concept. Let's assume we have 3 campaigns that are linked together, campaigns A, B, and C. If we unlink campaign B, the campaign will be unlinked from its parent, which is campaign A, and its child, which is campaign C. So, after unlinking B, we will get 3 unlinked campaigns. Let's see another example with more campaigns. Here, we have 5 campaigns linked together. Can you guess what will happen if we unlink campaign C from the chain? As we said earlier, when you unlink a campaign that has 2 links, a parent and a child, then both links will be removed. Let's demonstrate this using SEO Neo. We have 5 campaigns from A to E that are linked together. Let's unlink campaign C by changing its posting options to Instant Post. As you can see, after unlinking campaign C, we broke the chain into 2 pieces. Campaign linking is a powerful feature that can help you enhance your campaign flow and efficiency. For more detailed information on campaign linking, check out our official documentation. You will find the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.